What's going on, YouTube? Just wanted to show y'all, man. As far as restoring your body cladding or your mold and your trim, I ordered another product because I was just gonna plastic dip it or paint it, but the other product ain't came yet. But anyway, this stuff right here, man, I think it was like $15 or something like that. Ordered it. I came out here just to be messing around real quick, just to see. As y'all can see, it's gray, faded gray, faded. So I just put some on, and look at that. Y'all can tell the difference right there. I ain't put no effort into it or nothing. I had to go back in the house and grab the phone so I can show y'all real quick, man. I'm about to go and knock that out. It came with this. And a little applicator just blew down here. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that, man. This stuff worked. I don't know the lifespan on it, but we about to work with it for now. I'll tell you that. So I'm gonna cut y'all on when I get a little bit more done. Matter of fact, show y'all real quick. We got a nice spot right here, nice and white. Look at that. Nice and easy. Like I said, I don't know the lifespan on it, but it's working. You know that. Just wanted to show y'all that, man. And I was rushing because it is Mother's Day. I got things to do. I'm gonna go back over it about 2 more times, 3 more times. And that bottle, I haven't even used half of it yet. So I like it. Like I said, I'm gonna go back over it. I just got things to do. I wasn't expecting it to be that damn easy at first.